meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
A few spotty clouds around early tonight, 86 at 7 o'clock, but then basically clear skies at 9 o'clock and 11 p.m., heading down to 76 by 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, into the 60s for the overnight lows, about 64 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning, upper 60s at 8 a.m. with sunshine, but then we'll see some clouds develop during the day, and it looks like readings in the afternoon a lot cooler than today by about 10 degrees, only making it into the upper 70s. Low temperatures tonight, low 60s in the northern Miami Valley. We'll be into the mid 60s here, and same pattern down towards Cincinnati. A mostly clear sky developing across the region today. Had some clouds this morning, and then those clouds moved southeast back to plenty of sun, and that's where we are now, looking at the generally clear skies. Definitely cooler, lower humidity levels for Tuesday, and nice weather most of the week until we get to Friday. Then a cold front approaches with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but the next 24 hours, no threat of any severe weather on our severe weather index. Tuesday cooler, along with that lower humidity air. Some of the high clouds looking south on the Bryant Heating and Cooling camera tonight up on Poe Avenue, and basically clear skies. SVG Chevrolet camera up in Greenville, just a bright blue sky there. And dry weather tonight through downtown Dayton, all across the Miami Valley. Once again, though, the places that don't need the rain have been getting it again, and that's down into West Virginia, where the red areas you see there showing where we have some flash flood warnings in effect along the West Virginia border. Those storms moving southeastward, but up our way, it's a quiet weather pattern. We have a cold front dropping southward, even though we're in the upper 80s right now, close to 90 degrees. Cooler air, much cooler air to the north, only into the 50s today and 60s up around Lake Superior, and that cool air moving southward and southeastward. We're at 89 degrees and wind out of the north 13 miles an hour. Our dew point 57, which is pretty comfortable, but factoring in the fact it's almost 90 degrees, it's still going to feel a little bit humid for you out there tonight. Weather check readings, Lowell Miller in Greenville at 91. David Wessler, New Paris, upper 80s there. And the Lowsteaders also in the upper 80s over in Jamestown. So a lot of upper 80s and low 90s on the weather map. Our dew point values forecasted to continue to drop as we head through tonight. Might actually see those come up a little bit this evening ahead of that front, but then dropping right back down to the 50s and even some 40s and low 50s by the time we get to Wednesday. Our future track forecast keeping us dry tonight with generally clear skies as that cold front passes to our southeast, but then we see some of those clouds return tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies across the area, but we're expecting a dry weather pattern, and it looks like a lot of sunshine as we head on into Wednesday. Here's your forecast tonight. We will be looking for a clear sky, lower humidity levels. Overnight low right around 64 degrees. Northwest winds at 5 to 15. Tomorrow a partly sunny day after some sunshine early on. Upper 70s though, about 10 degrees cooler than what we've had today. 72 at 10 o'clock, 74 degrees at noon. Will be around 76 at 2 p.m., 78 at 4, down to 76 at 6 p.m., 55 Wednesday morning with a high of 78, upper 50s on Thursday with a high of 82. Another cold front moves into the area Friday. Chance of a thunderstorm. Then behind that front, look at that nice weather for the holiday weekend. Looks like lows around 60, highs low 80s Saturday and Sunday. 4th of July, maybe a little bit warmer there, back into the mid 80s. But still not bad in the morning with low 60s. So a lot of dry weather again over the next 7 days.
Looking good. Thanks, Petey.